very low price range. I think it's called the dirt cheap price range, which is the $2.50 price range today. All right, this is the price you're looking at Grab right now. Now, of course, there are two ways to look at this price of $2.50, and this really boils down to how you look at life. All right. So let me put down $2.50, and how you're going to look at life is how you're going to look at Grab. And the question I want to pose to all of us today is, are you looking at this stock half empty or half full? Are you looking at this stock half empty or half full? Now, your answer to this question will be a reflection of what you think about the stock price. So if you are saying half empty or half full, well, no matter how you twist the word, it's the end of the day, do you believe the guy will go up, go down, or go sideways?